Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will practice reading words and sentences with our controlled vowels. Are you ready to learn? Then let's read. Say the words after me. Car, car. I have a car. Now it's your turn. Say the words as you see the red dot under it. I have a car. Far, far. My house is far. Now it's your turn. My house is far. Star, star. I can see the stars. Now it's your turn to read. I can see the stars. Scar, scar. I have a scar. It's your turn to read the sentence. I have a scar. Farm, farm. I live in a farm. It's time for you to read on your own. I live in a farm. Finger, finger. I have 10 fingers. Now it's your turn. I have 10 fingers. Tiger, tiger. This is a tiger. Now read the words on your own. This is a tiger. Spider, spider. The spider is black. Now it's your turn. The spider is black. Clerk. Clerk. Mom is a clerk. Now read the words on your own. Mom is a clerk. Paper. Paper. This is a paper. Now it's your turn. This is a paper. Skirt. Skirt. Her skirt is pink. It's time for you to read on your own. Her skirt is pink. Bird. Bird. The bird is red. Read the words on your own. The bird is red. Good job, kids! Continue to practice reading so that you can become a fluent reader. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like and subscribe.